Hello guys, welcome again to another video. And in today's video, we are gonna unbox my Andoer Q08S fluid head that I purchased specifically for my Zoom M8 Go tripod, which we are using right now to film this overhead shot. I bought this from Lazada for around 1,117, and the original price for this was 1,211. So I got a discount of around 100 pesos as shown in this screenshot. I purchased this one because the original ball head that came with my Zoom M8 Go, which we are using right now to film this overhead shot, is just a ball head, and obviously it has no arm, so making panning shots or adjusting your video angle will be a challenge. Hence, I got this one to fill that gap because I will be using my tripod mostly for video. So before we begin, let's roll the intro. It's Now, as you can notice here, I've already torn open the box as usual because I wanted to check if the product I got was the right one and I was not scammed. For security purposes, yes, I will be doing that for everything that I unbox. So let's open this up. The packaging is not that impressive. So it looks kind of battered, but what's important is what's inside. So here it is. This is the only thing inside the box, and as you can see, there's nothing. So this is the most important thing you need for a video setup: the arm, which you'll be using for panning shots. And also, this comes with an Arca Swiss plate, like the default ball head of this Zoom tripod. So it will be easy for mounting your cam or your phone holder. And you can also tilt to the side, you can adjust it. But what I like about this is the gold plated knobs here. A bit of story before we close this video. This morning when I opened this box to check if I got the legit item, I thought that I got the wrong one because of this hole, this tripod screw hole. Because when I unscrewed this part of my tripod, I twisted too much, and this red thing you can see here came off to reveal a large screw that screws into the body, when it's supposed to be the plate that houses the ball head or the fluid heads. So it's lucky that I brought my tripod here to work so that I can test the product and do this quick unboxing. So yeah, it turns out that I got the product right and it fits my tripod well, as we will be testing it right now. So now, after setting this up off screen, this is what it looks like with my tripod. And for a bit of overview, this here is the lock for the Arcasys plate, which we will be using to mount your camera or your phone holder. And this one is the angle locking knob, so that if you don't want to use this feature, you can twist this to lock. And this is the panning lock knob, so if you don't want to pan, you just lock this up. So we've reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching as always, and if you haven't already, please hit subscribe and click that notification bell down there so you won't miss any of my future music and tech related videos. Again, thank you for watching and see you on my next video.